This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. I'm going to show you how to create a mind-bending perspective effect. I provided this photo that we'll use for this project. Feel free to use another photo if you like. First, we'll make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. We'll rotate the copy by going to Edit, Transform, and rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Then drag the rotated photo so its upper left corner snaps to the upper left corner of the original photo beneath it. Open the polygonal lasso tool and click just outside the bottom left corner of the canvas. Continue by clicking just outside the top left corner and then down to a point just below the bottom corner of the rotated photo. Close the path by connecting it back to the starting point. Click the Layer Mask icon to make a layer mask of the selection next to the active layer. The white area in the mask reveals the visible part of the rotated photo, while the black area conceals the rest. Next, we'll brighten the top edge of the water. Make a composite snapshot by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E on Windows or Command-Option-Shift-E on a Mac. Control or Command-click the layer mask to reactivate its selection. Invert it by pressing Ctrl or Command-Shift-I. Open the Dodge tool. Open the brush picker and choose a soft, round brush. Set its size to 800 pixels and its hardness to 0%. Set the range to midtones and the exposure to 50%. Position the Dodge tool approximately here and drag it upward at an angle to about here to brighten that edge. Next, we'll clean up the area where the skylines meet. Open the polygonal lasso tool and place it on the point where the skylines meet. Click and place it on the bottom corner of the first building that you'd like to see on the rotated skyline. Click and press and hold the Shift key as you drag the tool across the edge of that building. If you want to draw an angle, release the Shift key before you drag the tool. Draw up and around and place the tool on the top left corner of the first building you want to see on this skyline. Go to Edit and Sky Replacement. Make a composite snapshot and invoke Auto-Tone by pressing Ctrl or Command-Shift-L. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Thanks for watching.